Hey guys, Christos here, and in today's video I'm going to be going through every single one of my online income streams. I'm going to be talking about how much roughly I make from each one and how much work actually goes into making that. Now, why am I making this video? Well, two reasons. Number one is that it was the highest voted video in my community feed. Now, every single week I put out a poll asking what video you guys want to see next on my channel, and this one won this week, so that is the first reason. The second reason is I do talk a lot about my other income streams in my YouTube videos, but I've never really made a video putting them all together from highest to lowest and just giving you guys a full transparent view of my actual income streams, which is the main goal of this channel. So that's why I'm doing it today. This video is not to brag. This video is not to say, look how much I am making. I do really want to make this channel about finding different ways to make money online. So today is a good start to actually share all the ways that I am personally doing that. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and this kind of content interests you. But apart from that, let's get into it. Okay, so what we're going to do is take it from the top, so the income stream that earns me the most money, and go all the way down to the bottom one, which earns me like 25, 30 pounds every single month. So nothing special there at the bottom, but we're going to start off at the top, and that is reselling on Amazon and eBay. Now, this is the main income stream for me at the moment, and it is basically going out to retail stores, online stores, and wholesalers as well, and basically buying products and selling them for a profit on Amazon and eBay. Very, very simple business model. I talk about it a lot on my YouTube channel, but basically this earns me anywhere between £1,500 to £2,500 every single month. In the last couple of months it has been a lot lower, simply because I've been dealing with a house move and actually working on another income stream. So it has dipped a little bit, but when it's in its prime, it's normally earning me about £1,500 to £2,500 every single month. I work on it about 25 hours a week. You can never really put a big number or a certain number on this because it does go up. One week I may work 40 hours on it. One week I may just do 5 or 6 hours on it. It very much is dependent on what is going on. But on average, I'd say it's about 25 hours every single week. And I did mention I sold on eBay as well. It's something I have only just started. I was going to put it in its own category because it is definitely a different way of earning money, but I wanted to group all of the e-commerce and reselling into one. So that's the main one, reselling used and new products on Amazon and eBay. So next one is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, for those that don't know what it is basically where you refer a product to a customer, or in my case a viewer or a consumer of my content, and then if they were to purchase that product, you would get a commission at no extra charge to the buying customer. So for example, before I even started on Amazon, I did a lot of website design. So I created a lot of website templates for customers, and then basically what they would have to do is go and grab hosting packages for that website. I've just created them, and all I did was refer them to an affiliate link of a hosting package that I used, and for every time that they bought that hosting package, I got around 50 or 60 pounds every single time that they renewed their hosting. So basically, when it comes to my affiliate incomes, a lot of them do come from my web design business still, back from when I was doing that 3 or 4 years ago, but some of them are coming from Amazon affiliate links now as well, because I do have this YouTube channel which talks a lot about selling on Amazon, and I'm using a lot of the products that you can pay for on Amazon, and I'm also recommending them to my viewers as long as I am using them, because I did mention, as you can see there, all of the products that I do promote, I have to be using them myself. It makes it a lot easier to talk about them, and it just gives me that extra confidence when I am recommending them, because if I'm getting on well with them, then I have the confidence to actually tell someone else to go ahead and purchase it as well. So I normally spend around 15 hours a week doing this. Once again, it does very much change. So when it comes to 15 hours, that'll be morphed into my YouTube income stream, which I will get to in a moment. I've got a blog as well, and way before, like I said, I started all this YouTube stuff, I was designing websites for people as well. So I was spending a lot of time kind of directing people to the hosting sites and then doing it that way. So really good way to make money. I make around £500 to £1,000 every single month when I'm doing doing affiliate marketing. Sometimes it's actually gone all the way up to £2,000, which I think is pretty good, but I do actually know people that have had over 6 figures in 1 month just doing affiliate marketing. So this is a really good income stream. Like I said, I only spend around 15 hours a week on average, and that's morphed in with some other income streams, which actually leads me to my next point, which is a disclaimer, guys. Now, one thing that I've noticed when I've looked at a few people sharing their income streams, especially if they are an expert in a niche, a lot of people say, how come you're only making so little in the thing that you're talking about, but you're making so much in the long run? And that kind of just shoots themselves in the legs, because this channel here is all about creating multiple income streams so you're nice and diverse. Now, a lot of people will know me because I sell a lot on Amazon. I talk a lot about Amazon as well, but for me it is definitely a better option to have your fingers in about 7 or 8 pies than having it all in the Amazon pie. Now, if I was to get rid of all of the income streams that I am working on, I could definitely make a lot more money on Amazon, and I could definitely make a lot more money on eBay, but I don't want to do that because it's so risky. If I was to lose my Amazon account, I will lose everything. Now, if I was to lose, let's say, my affiliate marketing business, I still have my Amazon account to rely on, which is why I want to stress the importance of building multiple income, guys. So I wanted to put that disclaimer just to mention that before we move to the other income. So moving on to the third one, we have my rental property. Now, this is my newest of income streams, I guess, yeah, it probably is. On the picture that you can see here, this is a block of flats in Norwich, which is where I live, and one of those on that picture is the flat that I actually own. I am renting out to some tenants. I will do a quick competition here. Anybody that can guess the flat, or let's say guess the balcony, put it in the comments below where you think my flat is, and I will send the winners a prize. So that's just the flat that, or that's the block that I own a flat in. But basically, going back to the numbers with this rental property, I did live in this property for about 3 years, and I've recently moved house, but I've been able to keep this property. And basically, I've got some tenants in, and then after all the bills, £650 every single month, no higher, no lower, unless I decide to put it up or down, and it just makes me a solid amount every single month. So next up is, you probably guessed it, is going to be my YouTube channel. Now, this is probably my favorite income stream because it makes me the least amount of money compared to how much time I put into it, but I do have a very much a long-term plan with YouTube just because of how much I actually enjoy making videos. As you can see, there's a picture of my YouTube homepage on the right hand side. Make sure you are subscribed. I'm hoping you are if you've got this far in the video. We're almost at 4K subscribers, and I want to hit that by the end of 2020. That'd be a nice little present for me. But anyway, moving back once again to the numbers, it makes me about £450 a month, and the only ways that I make money is, number one, through the YouTube ad revenue, which isn't great. I do want to make a video just detailing exactly how much I make from ad revenue, which I will release at the end of the year once I've had 12 months worth of payments. So that's one way that I make money from YouTube, and then the second way is through brand deals. Now, I don't really do too many brand deals. I only actually have one on the go at the moment because, once again, just like the affiliate streams, I really like to be involved with the products that I'm promoting. I do get quite a few requests about promoting products on videos and on my social medias, Facebook groups and stuff like that, but a lot of them I do turn down because it doesn't really stay in line with my brand. And I say I take 20 to 30 hours every single week on this. It's probably a lot more, but in terms of filming and editing videos, it's probably about right. But this is very much, like you can see, it's a long-term plan for me. I don't really expect to be making thousands of pounds straight away from YouTube. I very much understand that you have to build a subscriber base, you need to build a community, and that's what I am all about right now. I love making videos, and I hope in the future this can be one of the top income stream. So fingers crossed, and let's see. So moving on, we've got my coaching business. Now, this isn't something I really push. This is something I do want to kind of move into in the future, but right now I'm not really going for it with the coaching business. I basically have 6 1-hour slots every single month that I offer to people that want to get started with Amazon or reselling and stuff like that. And then I have my eBay book. And like I said, it takes 6 hours a month because that is pretty much how much time I offer. I don't offer any more Skype sessions because then it'll eat into my time for my other income streams. But I do have my ebook, which helps people get started on Amazon as well. And that's just £9.99. So a couple of sales trickle in every single month for that. Sometimes I get 0 sales, sometimes I get maybe 10. But the main thing comes from my coaching calls where I help people get started opening up their Amazon accounts, one-to-one sessions and stuff like that. So if that is something you are interested in, obviously we do have November coming up and I haven't booked any spots for that. So feel free to drop me a message if you are interested in taking up a call. So that's my coaching business, £300 a month, 6 hours. It's not great, but it just turns over and it's just another income stream, guys. So next up is web design. Now, I did mention in the video, this was something I did way before I started on Amazon and YouTube and all the other income streams. This was initially my kind of master plan of world domination. I wanted to create a worldwide web design / digital agency. But turns out I don't actually like making websites. So that kind of hit a massive stumbling block around 3 or 4 years ago. But I know I said I don't really run it anymore, but I do have requests come in every now and then from people that knew I did it before, and I take on the odd project. And basically all I was doing the other day was I was looking how much I actually earned from my web design business last year, and it was about £1,600. So what I put down was around £150 average a month when you split all of that out. Like I said, it's not an active income stream for me anymore. I only take on the odd job. But as I did mention earlier on in this video, I still do make passive income from my previous clients who I did recommend hosting packages to, which are still running their active websites. As you can see on the picture there is a selfie of me working on an old website. I think it's called Kingfisher Floats. I'm not even sure if it's still running. I'll have to check after this video and we'll have a look at that. But yeah, that's another income stream. It's not massive, like I say. It's probably one that will end up dwindling off and being replaced by something else in the long run. But it still made me some money last year. Okay, so I think this is the final one. And I thought I would add this in there, even though it is so small. But it still does bring me that little bit of income every single month, which I'm very, very much happy with. And that is stock dividends. Now, in the picture on the right-hand side are all of the companies that I invest in. So the top two, if you didn't really know too much about stock investing, is 2 index funds. And basically, they are allowed to pay me dividends. My Apple shares do pay me dividends. The Facebook ones don't. The Coca-Cola ones don't. And the Bitcoin ones don't. So basically, what I'm doing is getting dividend payments from Coca-Cola, Apple, and my 2 index funds at the top there. And I'm on track to make about £360 this year from dividend payments. It's not massive, but the big thing for me is that I actively invest every single month. So that is something that will grow in the future. Obviously, if I had hundreds of thousands of pounds in these companies, then my dividend payments are going to be a lot higher. So that's all the goal is for this. It's just to keep contributing to these accounts and hopefully grow that stock dividend payments every single month. And I guess one more thing to actually mention on that is that every single dividend payment I do get from these companies is completely reinvested into more shares of that company. So that's my final income stream, I believe. I did group a couple together, like I said, with the Amazon and eBay one, but that is pretty much it, guys. So I think that was 7 income streams. I've heard random things saying you should have 7 income streams to be successful in that. I don't believe in that, guys. Maybe even just 3 or 4 that you're really focused on is enough. But for me, it's 7. Like I said, the stock dividend ones are very, very small. But hope this video kind of gave you an idea about what I do, the reason why I like to spread my incomes across multiple income streams instead of going all in on one. If you like the video, make sure you do hit that like button. It does really help this video out. Leave me a comment about an income stream you're looking at taking on. And apart from that, guys, I shall see you in the next video. Take care.